Welcome back. Let's start creating our model classes. Open Android Studio and create a new project named as the quiz app. Then inside this package, I'll create a new package named as model. And inside this model, I'll create the model classes for our application. I'll close all of these classes, and in order to create the model classes, you should refer to the JSON response. Here, if we look closer, we have an array and these objects. The first object separated by comma and the second object. I'll copy this whole response and I'll use an online tool called JSON to Pojo. Then I need to choose the package name here. The package is com.mastercoding.thequizapp and paste it here. And the class name, I'll name it as question. Then select JSON, select JSON because I'm going to use this JSON converter. And here I'll click on preview. And this is our class. Copy it. And I'm going to create a new Java class. I'll name it as question. And I'll paste the whole response. I'll copy this, copy to clipboard, then I'll paste this. Okay, remove this, and we need to add the dependency. So let's go to the Gradle build.gradle.kts and let's add the dependencies for Retrofit and the libraries that we'll use in this application. Since I'm going to use MVVM Architecture, I need to add the lifecycle, view model, and live data dependencies. So for that, go to developer.android.com/jetpack/androidx/releases/lifecycle. Then you scroll down to get the dependencies, select Kotlin, and here I'll copy this lifecycle version, paste it here, and I need to use the view model. This is the view model, and I need to use the live data. So copy live data. And if you notice, there is KTX. You can remove it because this is for Kotlin. Later on, when we move to the Kotlin section, we'll use the -KTX. Or you can simply scroll down to select Java here, the Java codes, and select the view model and the live data. So I'll copy them and val lifecycle. Okay, this is for Java because we're working with Java. The second library that we're going to use is the Retrofit. This is our friend. So go to square.github.io/retrofit and click on download. And here I need to get this dependency. Copy, and here I'll use Retrofit. Then I need to get the latest version. To get it, I'll go to View GitHub project and select down to 2.9.0. Here I'll put it like this. And don't miss to add and change this dependency into this syntax. I need a converter. So back to our Retrofit, I'll go up and I'll use JSON. Copy it, implementation, Retrofit converter JSON, and 2.9.0. Make sure that you get the same version for the converter and the Retrofit, 2.9.0. Sync now. Later on, we'll talk about these Retrofit converters. Close it, and you can see the problems are solved. We created question, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and correct option variables. These 6 strings represent our model class, our data that it's fetched from the database into our application. I'll remove this and annotation here. I'll add .model class. Okay, in order to solve, because I'm going to place it, or I place it the question inside the model.